y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over how to do a roundhouse kick. Now let's get started. Now let's break down the roundhouse kick. First, you must be able to do a pretty good solid front snap kick, which is going to look like this. Your back leg or your front leg, your knee comes up bent, snap out, rechamber, put it down. You need to make sure that you get this motion because it's very important to have the snapping part just like this. So now let's go over how to do the actual roundhouse kick from there. So same thing, you're just going to come up, your back leg is going to come up, knee is going to be bent. That's step number one. Step number two, make sure you pivot the standing foot and your hips over. That's step number two. Now, as you're throwing your kick, you want to make sure your back shoulder is going forward towards your target, knee is pointed towards your target, extend the kick out, rechamber, and down. Make sure that you're hitting with the top of the foot or the instep of your foot. Don't have your toes out here because you might hurt your toes if you kick out like this. Make sure that you point your toes, hitting once again with the top of the foot or the instep of your foot. Okay, so as you're doing this, keep those few tips in mind. Make sure that hips are pivoting, standing foot's pivoting, my back shoulder is coming forward, and my knee pointing toward where I'm kicking. Now I'm going to go over 3 different drills that you can do to help you get better with your roundhouse kick and to just be able to practice it a little bit more. The first drill is very simple. You just put your hand on the bag, on a wall, something to kind of help you keep your balance. From here, I'm just going to pick my front knee up, get into a roundhouse chamber. So my knee is pointed forward towards where I'm kicking. My standing foot is pivoted. My hips are already over. From here, I'm just going to practice nice and easy roundhouse kicks from here, out, back, out, back. This is a really good drill because not only is it going to help you develop strength in your hips, which you need to develop better kicks, but it's also going to help you with the technique of the roundhouse kick as well. So practice that a few times. Really good hip strength drill as well. Now the second drill, we're going to be practicing roundhouse kicks on the back, or you can do it on targets. This is just going to be alternating roundhouse kicks with a little bit of a bounce, a little bit of a hop, kind of get some rhythm going with it as well. So it's going to look like this. You're going to kick, hop down, kick, hop down. So you're just going to alternate doing that. You want to kind of stay light on your feet, nice little bounce, alternate through the roundhouse kicks. Really great way to practice both sides, and it's a good cardio workout. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really good way to practice the roundhouse kicks, and like I said, great workout. The last one is very similar to that. You're just going to do a repeating roundhouse kick, so it's going to look like this. So same thing from there, just kind of get a little bit of a rhythm, work on a little bit of footwork as well. Really great way to just really drill these roundhouse kicks and get a good workout in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to see more Taekwondo kicking tutorials, I'll link my playlist in the description box down below. Definitely go check those videos out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later.